Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show to you guys the step-by-step procedure how to apply job in TCS through TCS NextStep. As you know, many of the students who is recently graduated have their dream to get the job in TCS, but where they had failed, they didn't know the procedure, where to upload their respective profiles, how to get shortlisted by the TCS, how to crack the interview in TCS, because they are not aware. In order to make them aware, in order to understand the process, here I'm going to make the video how to upload your profile in TCS, how to get the job as a fresher. Because you know, in the external market, how much it is difficult to get a job as a fresher. Not all the companies are going to provide the job opportunity to the freshers, because first of all, you need to get some kind of experience. If you are a fresher, it will become little bit difficult for you to grab the opportunity. Even if you got the 1 year of experience, then it will become so easy for you because of you are already in the field. You will automatically get the experience. But getting of job as a fresher is a difficulty task. Here you are going to struggle. Here I'm going to show to you guys one of the major company like TCS, how you need to upload your profile in order to get the shortlist. At the same time, how to crack the interview through normal process. Okay, here I just made one document for you guys for your reference. Here you just need to follow the same process how I'm going to explain in this video. Then you can be able to upload your profile in that. Simply type TCS NextStep in the Google. You just redirect it to this page just like that. Click on the first link. Okay, and come down. Here the page will be appear like that. Welcome about TCS NextStep. What you need to do? Just click on register now. Then you will be redirected to this page, registration category. Here you need to select whether you are looking for the IT jobs or BPS jobs. If you are looking for the BPS job, you can select the second one. Suppose if you are looking for the IT jobs, you can select the first one. Obviously, I am looking for the first job, that is IT jobs. Just click on the IT job. Then one tick mark will be appear. Just click on continue. Then you will be redirected to the email verification page. Here you just need to enter your official mail ID. In which email ID you want to make the communication with the TCS, please make sure you need to mention that particular email ID here. And once you enter your email ID, just click on request OTP. Then it is going to trigger one OTP to your email ID. You just need to open your email ID and check it whether you are getting the OTP or not. If you get the OTP, just submit the OTP. And once you submit the OTP, just click on submit OTP. Then you will get a message like your email verification has been done and completed. Just click on continue. Then it is asking you the other details, like you need to mention the last 4 digits of your Aadhaar card details and your date of birth and your first name and your middle name. Please mention guys here whatever the things which is available on your certificate, please mention accordingly. While filling the application, make sure you need to concentrate more here, because of whatever the details you had mentioned here, that will be sent to the TCS guys. They are very markable, like they are very strict on this. So make sure you need to fill all the details in the right manner only. And once you fill all those details, just click on continue. Then you need to enter some other details as well. Like what details? Your personal details, your Mr. or Misters or doctor, whatever the details you did, you just need to mention here. Then after that, you need to mention your education details, like whether you are a BTech guy or whether you are some other BSc guy or whether you are a master of computer applications or whatever the thing you are, you just need to mention. Okay, then click on register. Okay, once the registration process has been completed, what you need to do here, you need to log in here because of you had already registered here. So no need to register further. Once the registration has been done, what the further thing you need to do is just log in. Here click on login here. Again it is asking you to enter your email ID. Then after that just enter the captcha, and once it is login and it is going to send one OTP to you, your email ID. Just please enter your email ID. Calm down, and your name will appear. Hey, suppose hey user, hey, suppose your name is Sai or Sinvas. Hi Sinvas, welcome abroad on TCS NextStep portal. So just click on the explore portion. Here on the left side, here if you found, if you see, there are a lot of options are there like home, application form, track my application, and calm down. Just click on the application form. Here, just click on start the application process. Here in the application process consists of 4 sections. Like the first section is personal details, and the second section is academic and work experience. And if suppose if you are a fresher, you can mention like that. And third other details, and fourth form review and declaration. Here like personal details, your name, first name, middle name, last name, your gender, your date of birth, your post graduation details or graduation details. You need to mention each and everything related to your education and your nationality, your achievements, and security details. Means you have any pending cases on you, because of if any police case pending on you, then TCS is not going to accept you as a candidate. So you need to mention here. Okay, guys, and calm down, and TCS terms and conditions. So upon filling all the details, you just need to click on check mark. You need to check it like I agree to the TCS terms and condition. So once you click on it, your application process has been successful. Then what you need to do here, one icon will be highlighted, apply for a drive. So you just need to apply for a drive and you will get a mail notification whenever there is a position is there. You need to select the which center is available to you for near. Means you need to visit through online or you need to visit the test through nearby TCS center. So you need to select accordingly, and based on your preference, you will get be triggered by with a mail. You will get a notification, exam notification. So you need to attend that exam. Based on the score which you gain over the exam, you will interview will be scheduled. If you clear the interview, then you will be successful, will land into the your dream job in TCS. This is the procedure, guys, which you need to follow. So what you need to do is just make registration to TCS Next Step and fill all the application details by logging into the TCS Next Step and apply for drive, and you will get be mail notified with the exam details. Just clear the exam and you will get a call letter, then attend for the interviews and grab the opportunity in the TCS. This is the way you need to follow in order to crack the job. Okay, guys, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. Bye bye. We'll meet up you in the next video. Thank you.